What is a PCV valve and what does it do?
If you own a car, you might have heard of the term PCV valve being mentioned by your mechanic during a regular maintenance check. But what exactly is a PCV valve and what is its function? In this video, we will answer these questions and provide you with some useful information about PCV valves.
What is a PCV valve?
PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation, and the PCV valve is a small but vital component of the engine. It is a one-way valve that regulates the flow of gases between the crankcase and the intake manifold of the engine.
What does a PCV valve do?
The PCV valve has an important role in reducing harmful emissions and preventing engine damage. As the engine runs, a mixture of air and fuel burns, and the resulting gases enter the crankcase. Without proper ventilation, these gases can build up and create pressure, which can cause leaks and damage engine seals. The PCV valve regulates the flow of these gases by directing them to the intake manifold of the engine. This process allows the gases to be burned with the air-fuel mixture, reducing emissions and preventing damage to the engine.
When should you replace your PCV valve?
Like all components of your car, the PCV valve can wear out over time and need to be replaced. A faulty PCV valve can lead to increased oil consumption, decreased engine performance, and increased emissions. It is recommended to replace the PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, or as specified in your car's owner's manual. You should also have your PCV valve checked during regular maintenance checks to ensure it is functioning correctly. In summary, the PCV valve is a small but important component of your car's engine that helps reduce emissions and prevent engine damage. It regulates the flow of gases between the crankcase and the intake manifold and should be replaced every 30,000 to 50,000 miles or as recommended in your car's owner's manual. I hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of what a PCV valve is and its function. Thank you for watching.